Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sonic Adventure 2 Battle on PC. First, you'll need to get your hands on the PC version of Sonic Adventure 2. This could be a physical disc or a digital download. Before installing, quickly check that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for the game. Once you have the game and confirmed compatibility, proceed with the installation process. It's a straightforward setup. To truly enhance your Sonic Adventure 2 Battle experience on PC, mods are essential. Start by installing the Better Sags mod. It significantly improves compatibility and fixes many common issues. Next, consider the Dreamcast conversion mod to bring the game's visuals closer to its original Dreamcast glory. Finally, use the SA2 mod manager to easily organize and activate all your chosen modifications, ensuring a smooth gameplay experience. Once your mods are in place, it's time to fine-tune your setup. First, configure your preferred game controller. Many players find a modern gamepad offers the best experience for Sonic Adventure 2 Battle. Next, dive into the in-game graphics settings. Adjust them to balance visual quality with smooth performance on your specific PC. Don't forget to experiment with different resolutions and aspect ratio options to find what looks best on your monitor. Even with mods, you might encounter a few hiccups. If you run into technical issues, the Sonic Adventure 2 modding communities are a fantastic resource for solutions. Also, always ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. This can prevent many common performance problems. For those looking to upgrade their home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making cleaning a breeze.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.